Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our course on brainstorming techniques. In this lecture, we will focus on overcoming challenges that often arise during brainstorming sessions. Groupthink, creative blocks, and dominant participants can hinder effective idea generation. Our goal is to equip you with practical strategies to keep your sessions on track and ensure that every voice is heard. Our objectives for this lecture include identifying common challenges in brainstorming, exploring strategies to overcome these challenges, learning how to create an inclusive environment for all participants. Let's get started. Common challenges in brainstorming, groupthink. This occurs when a group prioritizes harmony and consensus over critical thinking. Team members may suppress their ideas to avoid conflict, leading to a lack of diverse perspectives. Groupthink can stifle creativity and prevent innovative solutions. Creative blocks. Sometimes, participants may struggle to develop ideas due to mental barriers. Stress, self-doubt, or fear of judgment can all contribute to these blocks, making it hard for individuals to share their thoughts freely. Dominant participants. In any group, some individuals may dominate the conversation. While enthusiasm is valuable, excessive control can prevent quieter members from contributing their ideas. This imbalance can lead to missed opportunities for creative solutions. Strategies for overcoming challenges. Combating groupthink. Encourage open dialogue by establishing ground rules that promote dissenting opinions. One effective technique is to assign a devil's advocate whose role is to challenge the group's ideas. This can spark new thinking and prevent complacency. Breaking creative blocks. Use activities to stimulate creativity. Techniques like free writing or mind mapping can help participants generate ideas without judgment. Encourage breaks during longer sessions to give everyone time to recharge their minds. Managing dominant participants. Set clear guidelines about participation. Remind everyone that each person should have equal time to speak. If someone starts to dominate, gently redirect the conversation by inviting quieter members to share their thoughts. Asking open-ended questions can also help engage those who may not speak up readily. The power of every voice. Imagine a classroom where the teacher asks students to brainstorm ideas for a class project. One confident and outspoken student took the lead and shared several ideas. While they were good suggestions, they overshadowed the quieter students with unique perspectives. After the session, the teacher realized many great ideas had gone unspoken. Determined to include everyone, the teacher organized a second brainstorming session. This time, they encouraged all students to write their ideas first, creating a safe space for everyone to contribute. Ultimately, the class developed a rich project reflecting diverse viewpoints. The moral of this story is that fostering an inclusive environment is essential for gathering creative ideas. Everyone's voice matters, and allowing quieter individuals to share can lead to innovative solutions. The potluck of ideas. Think of a brainstorming session as a potluck dinner. Each participant brings a unique dish to share, creating a diverse and flavorful meal. If one person tries to dominate the dinner by getting all the food, the meal lacks variety and excitement. Just as a potluck thrives on contributions from everyone, a brainstorming session flourishes when all participants contribute their ideas. Follow-up assignment. Organize a brainstorming drill session with classmates or friends. Choose a topic, set clear objectives, and practice using the strategies discussed in this session to manage group dynamics. After the session, write a reflection on the challenges you faced and how you overcame them. Encourage feedback. What challenges have you faced in brainstorming sessions? Share your experiences and suggestions for overcoming these obstacles. Your insights will help us learn from each other.